today I will briefly explain about PPE in Barisetan. First, safety helmet, Google, glove, safety jacket, safety boots, and earmuff. Okay, Assalamualaikum. Today my teammates and I will explain the tracing line of pressure vessel from PE 201 through all the pipelines and valves until VE 203.
Hello, today I will explain the fluid flow from the pressure vessel TE201 to pressure vessel TE202. Okay, the fluid will move from the pressure vessel to butterfly valve. So the function is to control the fluid flow and move to the side glass. So the function is to for operator to see the flow, color, and the level of oil, and then it will move to the bolted flange connector. So the function is to connect the side glass to the pipeline by screw together to prevent leakage. And then next, the fluid will flow through the pipe sheet insulator. So the function is to reduce heat transfer of fluid inside the pipeline and its surrounding environment. Next, fluid will through the ball valve. Okay, so the function is to provide quick on and off control of fluid, and then move to the pipe sheet insulator, and then move to the another ball valve, and then to flange connector and into the pressure vessel. Okay, that's all. Bye bye.
Okay, hello, assalamualaikum and good afternoon. Okay, from VE202, here we can see the butterfly valve. Butterfly valve is function. It is to regulate the flow from the pressure vessel to the pipeline. Okay, and right here we can see the pneumatic actuator. The function of a pneumatic actuator is one of its function is emergency shutdown. It will send the signal from this device itself to the pressure to the control room, and the control room can shut it off immediately to stop the flow from flowing through or over pressure. Then we go straight to down, follow the pipeline, and right here we can see the induction motor. Induction motor, one of its function is to convert from electrical energy to mechanical energy. Its use is to push the fluid opposing the gravity flow to help its fluid opposing the gravity itself are following through the pipeline, straight following before entering the VE203. And right here we can see the induction motor meter. Okay, the function of this meter itself to show the pressure. If it's over pressure, the meter will increase a lot of pressure, indicating we need to stop the production to check the maintenance itself. That's all.
Okay, I'm going to continue the line tracing of the pipeline of the pressure vessel from my friend below. So here is the pipeline. The pipeline goes up here and make the manual ball valve, or we can call it bleed valve. Okay, the function is first is for draining the liquid, and then second for the bleeding, which means allow the operators to release the track pressure to make sure the system is safe before the maintenance. And lastly is for the bleeding, for the sampling, which allow the operators to take small piece of sample for the inspection and testing. Okay, next, the pipeline goes up here and meet the pneumatic actuated ball valve. Okay, for this valve, it can be controlled from the control room, which means automatically without the manual operation for the close and open. Next, it has an ESD system. The mean for the ESD is emergency shutdown. As lastly is for the interlock, the function for this valve. Okay, then after we meet this valve, the pipeline through up here and enter the pressure vessel of the VE203.